So I'm going away for a couple of days to visit some friends and family. So I'll be making some bread. So I've got some little mini 2-ounce rolls with garlic, a bit of garlic pushed in the centre and parmesan on top. Standard baguettes. And we've got some 4-ounce rolls. So we've got some that are cheese at the back, a multi-seeded, a rye, a barley and a plain. And then we've got some herby, cheesy flatbread. And then we've got 2 fugazi style. So we've got, first one is pecorino herbs and just a mixed herb and olives. At the back, these are my little shallots from the garden. Pecorino, I've got some lemon zest and a different style of mixed herbs. So that's 2 kilograms of bacon, and it was really hot today, 31 degrees in the kitchen, so I think I've earned myself a sit down.